Hello and welcome. Today we will see how to make this really cute flower. We start with a slip knot. This works like a magic circle in this case. We chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. We do 1 double crochet in the first chain. Then we do another double crochet in the same chain. We chain 2 and slip stitch into the center. And that's our first petal. We need 4 more petals to go. Petal number 2, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the center and chain 2 and we slip stitch. It can get a little tight, so just move it around and it should be fine. The 5 petals should fit in. This is the 5th petal for me, and all I do is I go in and slip stitch the 5th petal, pull up a loop, and I cut the yarn, and then I tighten it up nicely. That's my flower.